Where was the India Innovation Summit leading solution for TB elimination inaugurated recently? Option A Bengaluru, Gujarat, New Delhi, Maharashtra. Answer is New Delhi. Recently, through which spacecraft did NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore return to Earth? Option Orion, Crew Dragon, Starship, Atlas V. Answer is Crew Dragon. Recently, which state government has announced to make Maharshi Dadishi Kund a state tourist center? Option Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Assam. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the main objective of Delhi Police Custody Squad scheme? Option to control traffic on the road, to provide mental and physical security to women, to catch criminals, to protect government officials. Answer is to provide mental and physical security to women. Recently, which state government has launched a search engine to know the proceeding of the Legislative Assembly? Option Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Answer is Punjab. On which date was Global Recycling Day celebrated recently? Option 15 March, 16 March, 17 March, 18 March. Answer is 18 March. Digital payment transactions have increased with more than how many crores transactions in the financial year 2024 to 25? Option 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. Answer is 18,000. Where was the Water Sustainability Conference 2025 organized recently? Option Nasik, Bhopal, Nagpur, Chennai. Answer is Bhopal. For what purpose have the central government and WhatsApp joined hand recently? Option preventing digital fraud and cyber threats, simplifying the process of e-governance, monitoring social media, promoting digital education. Answer is preventing digital fraud and cyber threats. Who has recently launched the energy literacy campaign? Option Reliance Industry, Bharat Petroleum, Tata Power, Adani Power. Answer is Tata Power. On which date is World Sparrow Day celebrated every year? Option 19 March, 20 March, 21 March, 22 March. Answer is 20 March. Recently, which edition of the bilateral naval exercise Barun 2025 has been held? Option 22, 23, 24, 25. Answer is 23. Recently, which country has handed over the second new submarine equipped with the state-of-the-art weapons and sensors to Pakistan? Option China, Russia, America, France. Answer is China. Recently, RBI and the Bank of Dash signed an agreement on the use of local currencies in bilateral trades. Option New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Mauritius. Answer is Mauritius. Where will India first PPP green waste processing plant be set up recently? Option Gandhinagar, Indore, Pune, Nasik. Answer is Indore. Recently, where has the central government approved the Namrup IV fertilizer plant? Option Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Punjab. Answer is Assam. Recently, India has achieved which position among 33 countries in the Free Speech Index? Option 21, 22, 23, 24. Answer is 24. Recently, which Bollywood actor has been named Fit India icon by Union Sport Minister Mansukh Mandavi? Option Ranbir Kapoor, Ayushmann Khurrana, Salman Khan, Shahrukh Khan. Answer is Ayushmann Khurrana. Recently, the Competition Commission of India (CCI) has approved Tata Sons to increase its stake in Tata Play by how much percentage? Option 10%, 12%, 15%, 20%. Answer is 10%. According to the latest global happiness ranking, which is the happiest country? Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark. Answer is Finland. When was the United Nations French Language Day celebrated recently? Option 17 March, 18 March, 19 March, 20 March. Answer is 20 March. Which of the two major nuclear power projects of the Government of India is the first nuclear facility in North India? Option Jaitapur Atomic Power Plant, Gorakhpur Atomic Power Plant, both of these, none of these. Answer is Gorakhpur Atomic Power Project. Recently, the 23rd edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varun 2025 was held between India and which country? Option Russia, France, Japan, America. Answer is France. Where has the first temple dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj been inaugurated recent? Option Solapur, Nagpur, Nasik, Bhiwandi. Answer is Bhiwandi. Recently, ISRO Chairman V. Narayan has inaugurated the Thermal Research Center in which IIT institute? Option IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur. Answer is IIT Madras. On which date is World Poetry Day celebrated every year? Option 20 March, 21 March, 22 March, 23 March. Answer is 21 March. Where was Kabaddi World Cup 2025 held recently? Option Germany, Thailand, Italy, England. Answer is England. Recently, the Department of Telecommunication in India has partnered with whom to combat online scam and spam through the Safe from Spam campaign? Option Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google. Answer is WhatsApp. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the revised National Gokul Mission with an allocation of how many crore rupees? Option 2400 crores, 3200 crore, 3400 crore, 3800 crore. Answer is 3400 crores. Recently, the central government has advised reducing the use of cooking oil in midday meals by what percentage? Option 5%, 10%, 18%, 25%. Answer is 10%. Thanks for watching this video.